in correlation only one author is given. Okay, this is the correlation chapter. Carl Pearson coefficient of correlation. Only one author, Carl Pearson. Direct method when deviation are taken from actual means if we taken from question only, then this formula is used. R is equal to sigma xy. Sigma means total divided by n standard deviation x, standard deviation y. Okay, but in place of we can change the formula. We can take R is equal to R means correlation is equal to sigma xy divided by under root standard deviation x square, sigma x square into sigma y square. Sigma means total, n means number of item. Okay, in place of this we can take this answers, this formula where x minus mean and y is equal to y minus y bar means mean. Okay, let's see the question how it is executed. We have two formula. First let's see the question. Here in a question, calculate Carl Pearson coefficient of correlation between expenditure on advertising and sale from the data given below. Okay, expenditure on advertising and sales from the data given below. So advertising expenses and sales given 39, it's a discrete series. 39, 65, 62, it has only one single series, discrete only, means individual only for x, for y. 39, 65 and 62, 90, 82, 75, 25, 98, 36 and 78 given, and sales are 47, 53, 58, 86, 62, 68, 16, 91, 51 and 84 is given. Now we have to calculate the Carl Pearson coefficient of correlation. Okay, if we got direct answer, so we have to calculate direct, we should not take assume. Means if solution for normal, as we have discussed in question, for normal formula we can even know how it is normal and how it is assume after calculating the mean. But first we have to, let's do the table first. This is for x and here we have to take y. Take the value of x. X value is 39 first, then 65, 62, 90, 82, 75, 25, 98, 36, 78. Take the y values 47, 53, 58, 53, 58, then 86, then 62, 68, 62, 68, 60, 91, 51, then 84. Now first what we have to do, first we have to calculate a new x. How we can do here? Here x minus mean. Mean means take any value from here, take any value. Okay, for example, as we can even say like this, we have to prepare in made a new x. For this purpose x minus a is better. A means assume. We can assume 65. Here we can assume 65. Now this 65 is in minus. X means this x. So from this x we have to deduct 65. ये x में से भी अपने को 65 माइनस करना है. So now 39 minus 65 means minus values is increase. So minus 26. 65, 65 is 0. 62 minus 65 minus 3 is next. It's plus 25. 90 is higher. 82 minus 65 means plus 17. 75 minus 65 definitely plus 10. 25 minus 65, so minus a symbol is highest minus value. 98 minus 65 is 33. 96 minus 65, 29. 1 minute. This one is 36, sorry, by mistake I have written this one, so minus 29 this one. Okay, now 78 minus 65 is plus 13. Okay, what we have to do, we have to make it this one square. This x should be became square. 26 square, 26 into 26, 676. 0 square, 0, 3 3s are 9, 25 into 225, it's square, sorry, 625. 17 square, 17 into 17 means 289. 10 tens are 100. 4 fours are 16, 1600. 33 into 33. 1089. 29 into 29, 841. 13, 169. 13 13 are 169. 13 into 13, 169. Let's now calculate for y. Take any value. We have to prepare new y from old y minus assume. Anything you can take. Let's take 60 for easy purpose. 47 minus 60. How much? Minus values increase, so minus 13. 53 minus 60 is minus 7. 58 minus 60 is minus 2. 86 or minus 60 means plus 26. 62 minus 60 means plus 2, and 68 minus 60 means plus 8. 60 minus 60 is 0. 791 minus 60 is 31. 51 minus 60 is 9. 84 minus 60 is 24. This is a minus 9. Okay, now what we have to do? First we have to calculate y square. 13 13s already we did here, 169. 7 7s are 49. 2 2s are 4. 26 26 into 26, 676. 2 2s are 4. 8 8s are 64. 0. 31 square means 31 into 31, 961. 9 9s are 81. 24 into 24, we got 576. From here what we have to do, we have to multiply x into y. Okay, which x? This x into this y. Okay, we have to multiply x into 1. This one, minus into minus plus. 26 into 13 plus 338. Now 0 into 7, 0. 3 2s are 6. Minus into minus plus. 25 into 26, 615. 17 2s are 34. 10 8s are 18. 40 into 0, 40. 33 into 31, 1023. Minus into minus plus. 29 into 9, 261. 13 into 24, 312. Now what we have to do? We have first write the With first let's check whether it is normal formula or assume. We are getting for normal or assume. How we can calculate this means by the mean formula. Okay, mean of x. Okay, mean formula is, what is the mean formula? Average formula, sigma x divided by n. Okay, and we have to do even y also, sigma y divided by n. N means number of atom. What is the x? This is the x, this is the y. Let's calculate the x. 39 plus 65 plus 60, 62, it's 62 plus 90 plus 82 plus 75 plus 25 plus 98 plus 36 plus 78. We are getting 650. Let's calculate how many numbers. This is the 650 of x. Let's calculate 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So overall 10 we are getting. So here 10, 60, 650 divided by 10 means 65. We are not getting in points. If we get any value in point means the formula will be, the calculation will be assumed. So we have to take a long formula. But if we are getting exact value means we should not take a long formula. We should go with small formula. Let's calculate the y. (47) plus 53 plus 58 plus 86 plus 62 plus 68 plus 60 plus 91 plus 51 plus 84. So we are getting 660. Y is 660. So 660, y also same, 10 means 66 we are getting. So we are getting exact value. So we should have to take a small formula but not the longest formula. The small formula means correlation is equal to sigma x into y divided by under root sigma x square into sigma y square. We have to do a small formula. Okay, so let's calculate this table now. What we required, xy and x square and y square. So we have to calculate x square, y square and xy. Okay, so let's calculate first x square. 676 plus 9 plus 625 plus 289 plus 100 plus 1600 plus 1089 plus 841 plus 169. 5398. Now y square. 169 plus 49 plus 4 plus 676 plus 4 plus 64 plus 961 plus 81 plus 576. So we are getting 2584. Now xy 338 plus 6 plus 650 plus 34 plus 80 plus 1023 plus 261 plus 312. 2704. Okay, so we have to do in the substitute into the formula xy. How much we are getting for xy? 2704 divided by under root x square. X square, how much x square? 5398. 5398 into y square. What is the y square? 2584. 2584. 2704 divided by, first we have to take the under root. We have to remove the root. First we multiply. Keep the root, multiply first. 5398. 5398 into 2584. So we are getting 1,39,48,432. We have to take the root. Now remove the root. 2704 divided by, remove the root, 1,39 lakhs 48,432. We are getting 3,734.776 you can take. Now divide it. The correlation answers always in 0. Okay, if you get 1 and 2 means it's your answer somehow mistakes. It should be always 0 or minus. So now 2704 divided by 3734.76. So 0.724 is the answer for correlation. This is the coefficient of correlation answer, 0.724. And this answer should, the correlation and deviation answers and skewness answer are always in zeros and minus. It won't be in 1 and 2.